received this curling wand, or I don't know what you would call this. So this is a seller on Amazon, and they reached out to me so that I could try this here on YouTube, do a little review. By the end of this video, if you are interested in picking yourself up one, then you can check out this company. I will have the Amazon link down below. This is actually my first time using one of these devices. It's like a crimper. Creates bouncy curls, soft waves, and smooth, sleek styles. It has advanced ceramics coating. The surface is rich in nano silver ceramic coatings, tourmaline, and various hair care coatings. Protects your hair in all directions. It has heat up to 230. That's suitable for all hair types. It automatically shuts off after an hour. Okay. Oh man, I would get a headache the day I'm trying to shoot 4 videos in one day. I don't know if it's age, but I've been getting, me and my boyfriend have been getting just like random headaches lately. Maybe because we're on the computer too much and we're not out as much. Alright, so let's see. Ooh, it came with a little clip. So you have the little manual. They gave you this little clip. Feels very cheap, but it's still cool. I like this clip. And we get a heat protection glove so we don't burn our hands. And the actual device looks insane. This is what the device looks like. Whoa. And it has a swivel cord. We love a good swivel cord. The display here is an LCD display. We've got golden buttons. It's really nice, actually. It looks pretty high end. Looks high end. And this is actually going to be the first time I'm ever styling my hair like this. So I'm a little scared, but let's go ahead and try. This is actually one of my first paid collaboration deals here. So I guess we're moving on up in the YouTube world. It's not the only one that I have currently. I have quite a few, so yeah, I'm really excited to now be a part of this like sponsored world. This is probably meant to set it down so that it doesn't burn. Which side needs the glove? I guess this hand. So the LCD automatically turns on when you plug it in, and this is the on button. And then you can control the temperature with these 2 buttons. Let's start with this side. I'm scared. Should I do my bangs? We're gonna go all out here. This looks pretty scary. I'm assuming you just go like this and keep going down. Okay, I feel it. Oh, it kind of curled my bang a little bit. But maybe I'm supposed... Wait, maybe this is actually a curler and I thought it was a crimper. Sorry, when I do my hair, I'm like this. I'm just all over the place. I'm too lazy to like section pieces off and stuff. I just go all in, you know? Okay. It is huge though, and it is scaring me, but let's go. Okay, I'm gonna leave it on for a little longer. I wonder what it would look like if you just slid it down instead of keep clamping it down. Okay, I think this is a curler. I thought it was a crimper, like it makes your hair look crimped, crunchy. I don't know. Oh, it is actually a wave. Let's touch it with our hand. Ooh, pretty hot. Definitely have to use the glove. That's cute. I like it. It is it is like more crimped style, but I really like it. Maybe if you hold it a little less longer, you can get more of a wave. Yeah. Wow, I really like that. And it's a lot easier to use than I thought it would be. Okay, I'm gonna, since we're doing the back hair right here, I'm just gonna slide down and see what that does. If I just slide down. Yeah, I think you have to keep clamping it. Yeah, I don't see it curling. But we're just gonna keep going with it. I hope this isn't making anyone cringe. I'm just, you know, trying different things here. It's probably not best to slide it down because it might tug at your hair a little bit too. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of a crimp, but not as much. Ow, that was hot. Yeah, probably better to just, it's kind of similar, but this one's a little bit more crimped. To be honest, it kind of looks like I just tied my hair back in a bun and then I let it go. It looks like those creases that people don't want in their hair. But we'll see. We'll see at the end. I do like it. It's adding a little bit of like texture, and it kind of looks like my hair on like day 3 or something. But I like it though. Okay, let's keep going. Let's try doing smaller sections. I'm gonna put this hair back. Let's leave it a little bit longer and see if we can get an even more cramped look. It's not too hot near the face. I do feel some warmth, but not too hot. Probably during the summertime it might be a bit of a burn-in though. Ooh, that's really cool actually. Yeah, I really like that. That's cute. It kind of gives that similar effect to if you have braided your hair. And it does seem like you get a better result if you take a smaller section of hair. Okay, I just finished up this side. Why do I feel like this looks sexy? This looks sexy to me. Like kind of like your hair is a little bit wet and you just got the shower. I also got some volume on this side. Ooh, I really like it. I hope it lasts though, so we're gonna have to check to see. I love it. I love it so much. I think it looks great and it's really fun. Okay, I am back. So everything was fine until a few hours later. The crimps completely came out of my hair. So I contacted the company and they said that it depends on your hair type. And then also if you turn up the heat all the way, the crimp will last a little longer. So I'm back here to let you know if that is true. And I'm cranking up the heat all the way to 450, which I haven't used 450 in a really long time. Turned up the heat. And then also, I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of hairspray afterwards. They didn't tell me to do this, and I kind of didn't want to do it because I want to see if it will last without the hairspray, but I also really like the way it looks. So I'm just gonna apply hairspray after and then just hope that the crimp will last. So literally, right after I finished filming this, I went ahead and filmed like 2 other videos. And by the time I was done, my crimps were gone. So I would say it was about 2 to 3 hours. Probably, I don't think it was 3 hours. It was probably 2 hours and it was gone. And I was so sad because it looks so cute too. Okay. Now that is hot. I don't know if I should hairspray it right after or... I heard if you hold it like this, it helps. I know if you do a regular curl and hold it like this, it helps. Okay, like I said last time... Oh, this thing looks a little weird. I'm gonna have to go in and fix the situation. Like I said last time, I love it. Will it hold up? We'll just have to see. So we'll come back in later and see how it holds up. Okay, it has been about 6 hours later and the waves are still in my hair, so I think definitely the hairspray helped, and also increasing the heat helped a little bit. I will say the crimps, the waves started to fade just a little bit, especially on this side. So maybe I should have spent a little bit more time on this side. I just want to say thank you so much. I believe her name is Iris, who sent me this tool. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Again, if you want to check out this curling wand, I'll make sure to list down all the information down below. You can pick this up off Amazon, and I will leave the Amazon link down below. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also make sure to subscribe if you like to see these product review videos. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye! Thanks for watching.